I'm saying this might be the end of our camera. We're trying to fly the drone with a second camera on it. And this is a really nice 4K camera that we already have. And theoretically, the drone should have enough cojones to fly both cameras. So we'll hopefully prove that correct and that my zip tie job is adequate. All right, here we go. Good God, look at how much it's shaking the little camera though. I think we're gonna have to do something about that.
It's just gonna drop into the lake.
Land it real quick. Maybe more zip ties or something, I don't know.
The answer is always more zip ties.
Alright. I wouldn't call that a total failure.
It did fly.
I would also not call that a total success.
Or a success of any measure.
Thank you, sir.
Keeping it real.
You're thinking more zip ties, right?
I'm thinking just take it off.
Oh god damn it, it's gonna be really, really good, clear image.
No, it's gonna be really, really shaky. There's 3 zip ties on it. How many are you gonna put on there?
I'm thinking if I zip these two together, it would help.
The legs?
Yeah, because right, I don't think it's so much this moving as much as.
I don't think it's so much this as much as it is the whole thing.
Yeah, I think if we pulled the legs together.
Bad idea, this kid.
What?
Double down.
I'm glad I have your support, you know?
For sure, of course you do. I think this is gonna be a huge success.
These legs a little more. Yeah. Right now she ain't got no legs. Thinking if they're pulled in a little bit. I don't see how I can move a bunch. Not like that. You ready?